You've heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two giants that have dominated headlines and conversations about digital money for years. These cryptocurrencies have changed how we think about finance, technology, and even the future of money itself. But what if you could join a new digital currency revolution with just your phone? Imagine being part of a movement that doesn't require expensive computers or technical know-how, just a smartphone and a few taps. That's the idea behind Pi Network, making crypto accessible to everyone, everywhere, without technical barriers. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just curious about crypto, Pi Network opens the door for you. Instead of energy-hungry mining, Pi lets regular users secure the network from their phones. No need for powerful hardware or high electricity bills, just simple participation. Millions worldwide have joined as pioneers, building a unique global community. People from all walks of life are coming together, united by the vision of a more inclusive digital economy. The project rolled out in phases. First, growing the community, then, building trust and momentum as more users joined and shared their experiences. Next came a testnet for developers, allowing them to experiment, build, and test new features in a safe environment. And finally, the enclosed mainnet, where verified users could use Pi within the ecosystem, trading and interacting in a secure, closed environment. Each step was about building a secure, stable foundation, avoiding hype and focusing on real utility. The team prioritized safety, reliability, and genuine value for users. The team's slow, steady approach set Pi apart from other crypto projects. While others rushed to market, Pi focused on long-term growth and sustainability. All of this has led to one massive moment. Pi is finally ready for the world stage. The anticipation has been building, and now, the spotlight is on. Years of development, testing, and community building have brought us here. The wait is over, and a new chapter in digital currency is about to begin. Let's see what happens next as Pi Network steps boldly into the future, inviting the world to join in. Here's the big news, something the entire Pi community has been waiting for, and a moment that will be remembered for years to come. On November 11, 2025, the Pi Network core team officially announced that the mainnet has reached full operational maturity. This is a landmark achievement, not just for the team, but for millions of pioneers worldwide who have supported the project since its inception. After years of relentless development, rigorous testing, and countless hours of collaboration, the network is now complete, stable, and ready for global use. The technical hurdles have been overcome, and the infrastructure is robust enough to support a thriving ecosystem. This milestone marks the end of the enclosed mainnet phase. No more training wheels, no more limitations. Pi is now open to the world, ready to operate at full capacity. Over 50 million pioneers can now use their Pi on a fully functional, decentralized blockchain. Transactions, applications, and services are now accessible to everyone, everywhere. November 11th is now a historic day for Pi, marking its transition from an ambitious project to a real, operational network. It's a day that will be celebrated annually as the birth of a new era in digital currency. The infrastructure is solid, security is tight, and the network has proven itself under pressure. Every system has been stress-tested to ensure reliability and safety for all users. This isn't just a tech upgrade, it's the start of Pi's journey as a legitimate player in digital finance. Businesses, developers, and users can now build, trade, and innovate with confidence. The core team's step-by-step approach paid off, ensuring stability, scalability, and a seamless transition for the entire community. Full operational maturity confirms that all critical requirements have been met, from technical benchmarks to community readiness. It's a testament to the founder's vision, the developers' expertise, and the community's unwavering dedication. The wait is finally over, and the future is bright. Pi's next chapter begins now, opening the door to endless possibilities and new opportunities for everyone involved. Let's dive in and see what full green status really means for the Pi network and its global community. Full green status means every part of the Pi blockchain has passed its final tests. Think of it as all systems go. The network is creating and validating transactions flawlessly, with robust security and reliable wallets. The code has been audited and is free of critical vulnerabilities. The consensus and mirror layers are perfectly synchronized, ensuring speed and reliability. This harmony means the blockchain is consistent and trustworthy worldwide. Full green status gives the core team, developers, and pioneers confidence in the network. It's the difference between a project in progress and a finished product. Now Pi is ready for real-world use. The foundation is set. Let's dive into the tech that powers it. Let's look under the hood. Pi network now processes 48 transactions per second. For context, Bitcoin does about 7 TPS, Ethereum up to 30. Pi is built for everyday use. Latency is just 1.4 seconds, so payments are nearly instant. Perfect for real-world transactions. This speed comes from Pi's two-layer architecture. The Stellar Consensus Protocol secures the blockchain, while the mirror layer distributes the load for high performance. The result? Security and speed, without sacrificing stability. Full green status means the network has run smoothly, with no major interruptions or breaches. Pi can handle millions of users and is built to scale. It's not just a concept, it's a high-performance engine for a new digital economy. The tech is ready, but what about connecting with the traditional financial world? That's where ISO 2022 comes in. Let's break it down. Pi Network is now ISO 2022 compliant, a global standard for financial messaging. This means Pi can speak the language of banks and payment processors, bridging crypto and traditional finance. Compliance opens doors for future integration with global banking infrastructure. Pi isn't trying to be an outlaw currency, it's positioning itself as a regulated cooperative player. This makes Pi attractive to financial institutions and businesses. By adopting ISO 2022 from the start, Pi gains a strategic advantage over older cryptocurrencies. It's ready for the next generation of finance where traditional and decentralized systems merge. This isn't just about crypto, it's about becoming part of the world's financial plumbing. Pi is building trust and legitimacy for the future. Now let's talk about value. The big question, what's Pi worth? This question has intrigued many in the cryptocurrency community. The network has set an internal anchor called the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, at $314,159 per Pi. This value isn't arbitrary, it's a carefully considered figure. This isn't a market price. It's a stable reference for transactions within the Pi ecosystem. It allows users to trade goods and services with a consistent value in mind. The GCV helps create stability and confidence, encouraging real-world use instead of speculation. This stability is crucial for any emerging currency. The number is a nod to the mathematical constant Pi, but it's also a bold statement about the network's potential. It symbolizes the infinite possibilities that Pi holds. By setting a high consensus value, the community aims to build a strong, utility-driven economy. This high value encourages users to hold and use Pi, rather than sell it off quickly. When Pi lists on external exchanges, the market will set its price, but a robust internal economy could influence that. A strong internal economy can provide a solid foundation for Pi's market value. Millions treating Pi as a high-value asset creates a strong price floor. This collective belief in Pi's value can help stabilize its price in the volatile crypto market. The GCV is a tool to bootstrap the Pi economy before it faces the open market. It's a strategic move to ensure Pi has a solid start. It's about building value from the inside out. By fostering a strong internal economy, Pi can establish itself as a valuable digital asset. Next, let's look at the final checks before the big launch. These steps are crucial to ensure everything is in place for a successful rollout. Before launching the DEX mainnet, Pi must pass one last test multi-site verification. This is a global dress rehearsal, testing the network's performance and security across multiple server locations. The core team simulates high-volume trading, stress, and attack scenarios to ensure stability. The goal guarantees a fast, reliable, and secure experience for users worldwide. This final quality check is expected to wrap up between November 20th and 22nd, 2025. It's about mitigating risk and ensuring a smooth DEX launch. The team's meticulous approach gives the community confidence. They're not rushing, they're making sure everything is flawless. The finish line is in sight. Next up, the DEX mainnet. The launch of the DEX mainnet is the game-changer for Pi. A DEX, decentralized exchange, lets users trade Pi directly without middlemen. Scheduled for late November 2025, this marks the start of the open mainnet period. Pi will become a freely tradable asset, with real market dynamics setting its price. The DEX empowers users to hold, spend, or trade Pi as they choose. It's the foundation for decentralized finance apps, lending, borrowing, and more on Pi. The DEX isn't the end, it's the beginning of a new era for Pi. Let's see what this means for the future. Full operational maturity is more than a technical milestone, it's a paradigm shift for Pi. For millions of pioneers, this validates their belief and participation. Pi is now decentralized, regulated, and ready for the world stage. Its unique approach, community first, then technology, has built one of crypto's largest, most engaged user bases. Now, with ISO 2022 compliance and a mature network, Pi is poised for mainstream adoption. Users get a fast, cheap, and practical digital currency, ready for open market trading and future financial integration. November 11, 2025, marks the start of a new chapter. Pi has delivered on its promises: stability, scalability, and a global community. The final steps are here. The rocket is on the launch pad, all systems are green. The world is about to watch Pi take flight.